Hello guys, welcome back to Virtual Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Hotspot is not working after iOS 16 update, that is 16.3, 16.4 or any kind of update. After this you're having a lot of trouble and how we can fix that. So let's dive into it, especially you're having a lot of trouble when you're trying to connect your hotspot. So the first one is all about what you have to do is just have to eject the SIM from your iPhone. Then you have to reinsert it back. Then you have to check. This is the first step you have to do. So you can eject the SIM, just eject the SIM. Once you eject the SIM, just insert it back. Once after that, try to use the hotspot, and that can be the first step. If this is not working, do not worry, we have number two. Number two is all about we have to force restart your iPhone, and that is what we have to do. For force restarting the iPhone, we just have to do like this. You have to press volume up followed by volume down. Press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo, and this is what you have to do. Just quite simple. Just press volume up followed by volume down. Press and hold the power button unless and until you see the Apple logo. Just do the force restart. After the force restart is successfully done, we just have to check whether it's going to fix or not. Most probably when you try on one of these, this has to be worked. So even if it's not there, we just have to go to the next step. That is all about we have to make sure that you're on the latest version of software update. For that reason, we have to go over here in the settings. Now from here we have to go to general. Now from here go to software update. Now as you can see here, I am not having any update and I am on the 16.3.1. So it is up to date for me. So you have to make sure that you're on the latest version of software update, and that is going to work for you as well. Next one is all about we have to reset the iPhone. For that we have to do the same. From the general, you have to scroll down a little bit and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here go to reset, and there is an option called reset network settings. So just go for reset network settings, and once you're done with the reset network settings, most probably the issue regarding this should be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.